Welcome to our instructional video on simplifying expressions with positive exponents. Today, we will be focusing on the expression 2 raised to the fourth power plus 4 squared. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression using the rules of exponents. Let's get started. In step 1, observe the given expression. 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Now, calculate the values of these exponents individually. 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 16, and 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 16. Therefore, the expression is altered from 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 2 to 16 plus 16. In step 2, taking the altered expression 16 plus 16, add these values together. 16 plus 16 equals 32, transforming the expression from 16 plus 16 to simply 32. Now, simplify 32 to its most simple fraction form. 32 can be written as 32 over 1. Since 32 over 1 is already in its simplest form, it remains unchanged. Therefore, the final simplified expression is 32 over 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.